Sea Cruises, owned by Royal Caribbean. Here we are back at Canini del Capitano for lunch because it's free.
And it's good.
And it's good because we love the pasta. Terry didn't want pasta. She's not a big pasta eater, but she got some fish and nothing better than a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich and crispy french fries with usually a gallon of ketchup. And we all got
Lovely. Take a picture of this and show my daughter.
Rose's entree, yummy looking lasagna. We're still waiting. Oh, I ate that, by the way. It was really good. Max got his spaghetti. And I got my spaghetti with mushrooms and onions in it. We came back to the room. It's all a little tidy. And we got a little baby. Or whatever that is. Has a little baby. I'm not sure what it is. So remember, when you're docked here in San Juan, Puerto Rico, as you are when you boarded the ship in America, you order a soda, you order a beer, yeah, it's taxed. Everywhere you go. Tax, tax, tax. Taxing us to death. That's even on a free drink package. Still taxed. So for example, if you bought a drink package and you paid taxes on it, they tax you. What the hell is up with it?
Hey. Are we going to dinner tonight?
We are going to dinner tonight.
We're not there already?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
Not yet. We will be.
Okay. I can't wait.
On our way. It's right over there.
Okay.
We're waiting for that line to go down.
That's long again.
White people get there and just come late. You don't have to wait in line.
Yeah.
All right, babe, where are we going?
We're not going. We're already at dinner. We're ready to order. We're very hungry, and we got free steak dinner tonight.
Steakhouse tonight, baby.
From the casino.
From the casino. And bonsai sushi on any other day we want it. Oh, sorry. Don't, just forget what I told you. All right, we're gonna eat. We'll bring that menu to you. Yep, right about now. We got the spaghetti carbonara as an appetizer. That's a meal. We got the, what soup is that? The broccoli soup.
Broccoli soup.
And then Max got, and then I got the pasta visual soup. To the dirty windows. We're out of here. All right, our next appetizer is gyro salad. Gyro salad, Terry. I got from the steakhouse the lamb chops. Terry got the filet mignon. Rose got
Lamb.
the lamb. And shocker, Max got more spaghetti carbonara. For dessert, I got banana cream pie. Cherry got banana split.
We loved it.
Rose got
Thank you.
warm chocolate melting cake, and Max ice cream.
Surprise.
Vanilla ice cream.
Sorry, Pat.
And with
David.
David. How do you know us, David?
Oh, watching your videos all the time.
Oh yeah? What
it.
ship are we on?
We are on the Vista.
I'm just making sure, 'cause I don't know if you've been drinking or not.
I've been drinking, yeah.
Okay. But anyway, what's your favorite YouTube channel?
Party of Two.
That's
Love
what
them.
I thought.
Yes.
What's your next cruise?
We are going on the Celebration in September.
That's not nice.
Yes.
Well, our next one is like in 4 days after we get off this one.
You guys are always on the cruise.
We know, but it's fun. Anyway,
I love it.
thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that
Subscribe button.
and
And
Notification.
notification
Oh,
bell.
sorry about that.
All right, man. Take care.
Thank you guys.
Yep. We're heading to the Love and Marriage show in the Liquid Lounge.
Yes, here we go.
All right, we're heading in there now.
And put my mic in the back of the Bronco. So we can get a short time right home.
Okay. Alright, stop right there, stop. Okay. Alright, the gents are outside the room. Let's play the love and marriage game. Let's do this. Lights there. You've shared so much information about your love life. Let's give them a round of applause, everybody.
Hi, we've already left Puerto Rico. We've had a nice evening, a nice dinner from the Steakhouse free from the casino. We met some people that knew us from Party of Two cruising, which was pretty cool on this ship. And we've had a great day, right, Lovey?
Yep. But I'm going to bed early tonight. No casino because
so
I did
he
so good
says.
last night.
I bet when we get out in the room, he'll go, baby, I think I'm going to go down to the casino for a few minutes.
I went to bed at 3:30 this morning
That's all I've heard all
and
night.
up by
I
7.
went- that's all I
And I no
I'm so
nappies.
tired.
No
I went to bed at
nappies.
3:30.
So-
His father went to bed at 3:30, not mine.
But don't worry about it. I got 5 more days to lose all that money. So anyway,
Eat more ice cream. We got
Yep.
5 more days to eat more ice cream.
no chocolate martini tonight. It was too crowded. So we're going to go ahead and just have ice cream and then to daddle all the way
Cheers.
down to the other. Boop.
Ah!
You got chocolate on my vanilla.
That's yogurt. I have ice cream.
Anyway, it's still good. So anyway, tomorrow, St. Martin, we're going to go to the airport. We're going to go to the airport and watch the planes take off from really close.
Hope you don't get hurt.
Yeah, we're not
Say
hanging.
it's
We're not hanging. On,
dangerous.
we're not hanging on the fence.
They
Look
say
like a
it's
ribbon.
dangerous.
Yeah, it's very dangerous.
We'll be careful.
We're daredevils.
No, we'll be careful.
We're daredevils. We eat ice cream late at night.
No, he's got yogurt. and
Yogurt.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah. Stop.
Cheers. Anyway, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Tomorrow morning in St. Martin.
Yeah.
Some people call it St. Martin. Whatever. All right.
All right, we're going to bed.
Good night.
Good night.